Imagine waking up one of the morning to find that a single AI breakthrough has shaken Wall Street. Share prices to get like Nvidia, Microsoft, and Google permitted. A secretive Chinese startup DeepSeek had done them possible? But how? And why did this shake the entire tech industry? Stay with me as unravel one of the most shocking shifts in AI history. Before January 27, 2025, DeepSeek was hardly known outside niche AI circles, but overnight it became a center of global attention. Unlike OpenAI, which reportedly spent over $100 million developing a ChatGPT 4, DeepSeek built a competitive AI model R1 with just a fraction of the cost. Some sources claim as low as $6 million. This not only defied expectations but also called into a question fundamental belief in AI. Do we really need thousands of ultra powerful chips to create a groundbreaking technology? DeepSeek emergence is not just like a story, it is a geopolitical one. The US has been restricting China's access to advanced AI chips, and yet DeepSeek built a model rivaling Western AI. Without them, the rise is a circular question. Are sections truly effective, or is China finding its own way around them? The timing of DeepSeek release January 20 of the day of Trump swearing in felt like a direct challenge to US AI dominance, and the financial world took notice. Investors panic. Nvidia stock dropped by 17%. ASML, the company behind the chip manufacturing, also took a hit. Why? Because if DeepSeek proved that a high-cost AI is not necessary, then billions of dollars invested in ultra-powerful AI chips might not yield the expected returns. Think about it. In a gold rush, that one guarantee to the profit are those selling shovels. In AI, in companies like Nvidia and ASML are those shovel sellers. But what if people discovered that they do not need expensive shovels at all? That's exactly what sparked investors. Unlike OpenAI, which recently introduced a $200 month premium model, DeepSeek made its tool free and open source. This move pressures competitors to lower prices and rethink their strategies. But it also raises a deeper question: if AI can be developed efficiently and affordably, can big tech still justify its sky-high spending? But interesting, Google had seen this coming. A leaked in memo in 2023 admitted that AI companies had no moat, meaning nothing was stopping smaller players from competing. DeepSeek might be the proof. So what happened now? Will big tech adapt, or we see that start of new decentralized in AI era? One thing clear, DeepSeek rise has changed the game, and whether it's for better or worse, only time will tell. Thanks for watching the video.